The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2013 through 2017 Honda Accord 4-door sedan with a bare roof. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream BaseLine base rack system. This is utilizing JetStream load bars 50 inches in length. Black shown here, but silver is also available. The BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and then the base slips, the front being 148 and the rear being base slip 150. Locks are available as an additional accessory, so if you want to add some security to it, you can pick up a set of 4 to lock up your rack. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and the crossbars are spaced at 32 inches center to center. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.